So we have an outer passenger brake light out. Let's fix that. (2005) Porsche Cayenne. We are replacing the outer brake light bulb. The replacement brake light bulb that we need is 7528LL. I believe LL stands for dual filament, so make sure that you get a bulb with dual filaments. Now before we continue, let's get our Porsche special tool. Our special tool is in the trunk, under the trunk cover, next to our tool set. This one. Now if you don't have this, you can buy it online or from a dealer. If you don't have it, you're gonna have a challenge doing our project. It's still doable, but you're gonna have a challenge. Holding the taillight assembly in place are two screws. Now there are two covers or grommets covering the screws. To take out the grommets, there's a slot at the bottom where you can slide a flathead screwdriver to remove them. So slide your flathead and pop out the screw, or the cover for the screw. That's one, and here's another one. Next, the two screws are T30 screws, so use a T30 bit to remove them. That's one. And that's two. Let me move you backwards a bit. Now we can wiggle out the taillight assembly. With the taillight assembly out, we can take out the wire connector. To take out the wire connector, push in the connector first, then pull up on the tab so that it would have space to unlock it. Then pull out the wire connector. There you go. The base of the bulb socket is held in by 4 special nuts. That's why we need our Porsche special tool to remove it. So slide in your special tool, and it should, oh, this one is loose. So you slide it in and turn it counterclockwise to remove it. There you go. So this is why we need our special tool. Again, next, slide it in again and turn counterclockwise. 2. 3. And last one. Uh-oh. This seems to be somewhat rounded off. Come out. If it's rounded off like this, just be careful taking it off, or find a wide flathead screwdriver to put in between the slots so you can take it off. Let's see. Give me a second. Let me get something to help us with this. So I have this another tool that looks like it can fit in the slots, so we can turn this carefully and take it out. Oops. Huh. Alright, I guess this got pulled out of its slot. We'll fix that later. Anyway, here are the bulbs for our taillights. So, outer is this one. You have to replace it with other bulb. Now, this is a good time to have your gloves on because you don't want your moisture from your hand getting transferred to the bulb. Otherwise, it will shorten the life of the bulb. So to take it out, hold on to the bulb, turn it 1/4 counterclockwise, and pull it out. And let's get one of our new bulbs. Here is a side-by-side comparison of the old bulb and the new bulb. Now, to put in the new bulb, find the tabs on the socket, align it with your new bulb, slide it in, and then push it in, then turn it again 1/4 clockwise to lock it in position. There. Now, before we assembling the whole taillight assembly, let's test it first. To test, let's start by connecting the wire connector. Then we're gonna go inside and turn on the park lights. Turning on the park lights, pressing the brakes. All right, looks like it's working. We're good to go. So for now, I'm gonna skip the reassembly process because I wanna figure out what's going on with the screw and nut. But the reassembly process is just a reverse on how we remove the taillight assembly. So we're gonna put the base of the sockets back in the taillight assembly, put the nuts on, then connect the wire connector on the assembly, wiggle back the assembly in its location, then put the 2 screws on and put back the screw covers. And that's about it.
A few moments later.
So unfortunately, I could not fix what's going on with this nut. So I just sprayed it with WD-40 for now so I can fix it in the future. But to continue, let's connect our wiring harness. Then make sure that this ball goes to its slot when you put it in. You might have to wiggle it around a little bit. It's kind of tricky, but it goes in. Next is putting back the T30 torque screw. Then putting back the cover or grommets. And we're done. With the taillight assembly installed, let's test the lights. Turning on the park lights, brake lights, releasing the brake pedal, turning off the lights. All right, we're good. That's it. And that is how to replace the outer taillight bulb for this 2005 Porsche Cayenne. This has been another episode of How to Hallen. My name's R. Jeff, and thank you for watching.